Topic: What is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. Atomic size is the distance between the center of the nucleus of an atom and its outermost shell. In the basic chemistry, the atomic radius is defined as the shortest distance between the atom's nuclei and the outermost shell of the atom. What is a molecule? A molecule is a particle made up of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together. The number of atomic nuclei making up a molecule is a determinate number. For example, this is an hydrogen atom, and two hydrogen atom makes hydrogen molecule. Types of molecules. On the basis of atomicity, molecules can be classified as monoatomic composed of one atom, diatomic composed of two atoms, and triatomic composed of three atoms. For example, monoatomic molecules include helium, neon, argon. Diatomic molecules include hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Triatomic molecules include water and ammonia gas, while polyatomic molecules include proteins and other complex structures. Thank you so much for watching.